Ever wonder how fast you can get your cash out of crypto? Hey crypto fam! Let's face it, the whole point of cryptocurrency is having more control over your money, right? But what if you need some quick cash? Can you get it out of your Coinbase account and into your hand, like yesterday? Well, buckle up, because that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. We're talking about Coinbase instant withdrawals, how fast they are, how much they cost, and whether they're the right move for you. Now, before we jump in, a quick heads up. Coinbase offers different withdrawal methods, and some are naturally faster than others. But for those times you absolutely need the cash right now, there's an instant option. Intrigued? Let's see how it works. The need for speed. Why instant withdrawals? Imagine you're planning a killer trip, and you realize you forgot to book that last crucial activity. Maybe it's that skydiving adventure or that once-in-a-lifetime concert ticket. Whatever it is, you need cash, and you need it fast. That's where instant withdrawals can be a lifesaver. Of course, there are other situations. Maybe an unexpected bill pops up, or you just want the flexibility of having your crypto readily available. Whatever your reason, Coinbase instant withdrawal option lets you ditch the traditional waiting period and get your hands on your cash, well, instantly, or at least close to it. So, how much does this speed cost? All right, we know the real question is, how much does this magic trick cost? Because let's be honest, nothing in finance is truly instant without a price tag. Here's the deal. Coinbase charges a fee for instant withdrawals. For our US viewers, the fee is currently 1.5% of the transaction amount, with a minimum fee of 55 cents. So, let's say you need to withdraw $100 in a flash. The fee would be $1.50, bringing your total withdrawal to $101.50. For our viewers in the UK and EU, the fee can be a bit higher, up to 2% with a minimum of 55 cents or 55 pence. Is the speed worth the fee? Now, here's the important part. Is the convenience of an instant withdrawal worth the extra cost? That really depends on your situation. If you're in a real bind and need the cash immediately, then the fee might be a small price to pay for the peace of mind. But here's the thing, Coinbase also offers standard withdrawals through your bank account. These are free, but they can take a few business days to process. So, if you can plan ahead a little, the free withdrawal might be the better option. Beyond the fee, other considerations. Here are a couple of other things to keep in mind before hitting that instant withdrawal button. First, there might be limits on how much you can withdraw instantly. These limits can vary depending on your account and verification status, so check with Coinbase directly for the latest details. Second, remember that instant withdrawals use your linked debit card. So, make sure you have enough funds available on your card to cover the withdrawal amount plus the fee. Otherwise, your transaction might get declined, leaving you empty-handed and potentially facing additional fees from your bank. The final verdict, instant or not so instant? Alright, crypto fam, so what's the verdict? Are instant withdrawals a game changer, or should you stick with the free, but slower, option? The truth is, it depends on your needs. If speed is your top priority and you're comfortable with the fee, then instant withdrawals can be a handy tool. But if you can plan ahead and don't mind waiting a few days, the free standard withdrawal might be the more cost-effective option. Remember, the key is to be informed and make the choice that works best for you. Coinbase offers a variety of withdrawal options, so take advantage of them and find the one that fits your situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto trading.